my God! Oh! Hey you guys, we're here today at Woodward West for an epic game of Everything Counts Skate Vert Edition. What better way to start the day than to come here to the ginormous 12-foot vert ramp of death.
13.
Great idea. 13 feet?
Yes.
No, I didn't know that. So here are the rules. If you've never seen a game of Everything Counts Skate, basically everything counts as long as you call it. If you want to start at the bottom and then throw your board up and then run up and catch the wall and then catch your board and pull yourself up and then do a caveman and jump back into the ramp, it counts. So to make it fair, I'm gonna split Ricky and Nigel up as team captains.
That's just rude. That's just rude.
Nah, that's just fair.
Rochambeau, and then you guys get to do the draft.
Oh! All right. Ricky's team might have like a good advantage, but we're gonna have the comedians on this side. So I mean, it's good.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Glacier over here gets his second choice.
All right, I take my man Mowgli right here.
Oh,
I forgot you were even playing.
Mowgli. Okay.
I'm not even kidding.
I've been taken.
The trifecta of weirdness of everything going on.
Oh my God.
Smart decision. what I lack in board control today, I make up for in innovation. All right,
Another choice.
I'll take McNug.
Oh, yeah. Oh!
Let's go.
The wild card was that if you won the first pick, you get an extra player on your team since I'm filming. So you get Doug, and then you guys get your 3 skaters, and that's it.
And you.
You're technically
Drop
on my
in.
team.
What?
You said drop in right here. Boom.
I can't skate on a vert ramp. You're crazy.
You can skate on the vert ramp. You just haven't done it yet.
I'm gonna do a varial flip on the flat bottom. That's it.
Exactly. You're on our team.
That still counts.
And coming up first, Team 1, Nigel's team, the team.
Where's our entrance? We get an entrance
Of
song?
course we get an entrance.
All right, back it
We
up.
start over here. And coming in hot at Team 2, Ricky Glacier gonna freeze over the competition. Let's bring him in.
Oh, yeah. Here we go, baby.
Woo!
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go, fools. Come on.
Where's the energy, boys?
Hi. Well, in terms of energy, Nigel's team is already in the lead.
Who wanna set it off?
Literally fall to your death, or you could break the wood right there and really fall to your death. So, straight flip.
All right, Mowgli, you're up first.
The Razzie.
Oh!
Now heel.
Nollie heel?
Right here.
Oh!
Why are y'all doing it with your back to this?
Because that's what he did.
That's what he
Were
said.
you not just paying attention?
All right, it's Uzi's trick, right? Where are you going?
Into the phone. Oh,
That was like,
I couldn't hang on.
I don't even know how to describe how much of a failure that was.
In high school, they used to make these grilled cheese sandwiches, and they were the saddest things that you would ever seen. That, my friend, worse than that. I would eat that sandwich.
All right, Ricky Ice, you up?
Wait, you want to set Chris?
Oh my. That's
Yeah.
sketch. That is sketch.
I'm leaving that to our captain.
5-0 in.
Oh!
All right, Big Rick Ice.
Big Rick Ice.
All right, from 5 on the bat.
That's terrifying.
Oh! Missed the grind!
Yeah, I'm gonna take the letter, but I want to try that again.
I'm really scared. I didn't want to play in this game. Oh, that was good.
Nice.
Oh! I called him out and he delivered.
That was so good, too. That was perfect.
All right, Team Nigel.
I said you might as well slide down and walk it to the other side. Unless you want to just film it
What
from
are you
right
doing,
here.
frontside ollie?
Front side here.
Oh!
You almost flew off to your death, bro.
I didn't think it was gonna be that bad, and then like when I did it, I was like, oh my
When I saw
god.
you going that fast, I was like, I missed it.
All right, well that's a K for Team Nigel. Just slash.
I mean, he missed the first one. I'm just saying.
Were you going for that first one?
Yeah, I mean, technically I did bail.
Oh, all right. Hold up. Set goes to Nigel's team.
See, this is why you can't trust this man.
Anything counts, right?
Yeah, anything counts.
Throw your board into this.
Okay.
It comes out into the foam, and you land it. You land it. What do you got, Gabe?
I'm gonna do a varial flip.
All right.
Keep barrel flips alive, good sir.
Oh, it's okay.
Dang, man, my varial flips have been slipping the last few days.
Kickflip fakie, do you want to set any parameters like you have to go above this line?
I'm gonna go around here.
All right, hey, kickflip fakie right here. All right, who's up?
Watch out! You can just stay there, gang.
All right, so it's going back to Nigel's team set. Do you think they're gonna land a trick? Leave it in the comments below.
Oh! Body! All right, Chris, what trick are you doing? Nose pick? You can do what?
So fun. Nollie back big spin. I'm gonna pop, like, you gotta go past the first line there.
Whoa!
So you gotta do it above the line. That's like the only like.
Whoa! All right, you doing the slash, Ricky Ice?
So up and then slash.
Oh!
I am assuming that is I.
All right, so that is an SKA for Team Nigel. I know exactly what I'm gonna do.
He's gonna run up, climb out. Show us his strength.
You have to do a board flip.
Okay?
Catch it and then run up.
All right. You got it.
Yeah!
Yeah!
All right, Doug. Since you're already down there.
I'll say.
That was an integral part of it. I called it.
Yeah. When you hit it, I was like, he's gonna bail the board flip.
I thought so too. I was like, running up there, no problem. Board flip, no way.
Oh man.
Yeah!
Rebate. Rebate.
Got it.
Yeah, it's good.
Come on, Doug! Yeah, Doug!
Yeah.
So is that a letter or no?
I don't know. I kind of just wanted to see him climb up.
Doug, do you want me to count that or do you want a letter?
I climbed it.
What do you think? You're the ref.
Okay, here's my honest opinion. The board flip he did was practice to see which one was the right way to do it. When he actually tried it, he completely missed it. That's true. So I want it to be a letter, but I want Nigel's opinion.
We'll take the letter.
Yep.
We're not worried about the letters because we're coming back because we got some extreme stuff planned for this video.
Yeah, I think that's fair because you didn't give me the slash when I did the slash. You know what I mean?
True. Since everything counts and you just did a board flip, I'm taking it to the leap of death.
Oh!
So I gotta go.
Yeah, to that rail, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh!
I want to defend this.
You want to do it? All right, all right.
All right. I love doing these. But definitely gonna bail it now. All right, ready?
So it's my turn.
Ooh, dude, it's your turn.
I want to do that too. Except mine, you close your eyes.
Oh!
Wait, let me put my.
Wait, hold on.
Gotta go like this. Well, I'll just look this way.
No, I got you.
Okay, fine. Ready?
Oh! Yeah!
Should we get Chris to do it now?
What? I'm not even good at it with mine.
Get over here.
Should I just try it?
I tried.
Good set, Dan. All right, Doug, you're up.
I gotta go back.
Oh! Whoa! That is an SK. The comeback is on its way. Oh!
I think I'm gonna try nose pick into the resi.
Oh my God, this is crazy.
All right, Team Nigel. We believe in you, Ricky. Oh my God! Oh! Nigel, you have that too.
Your turn, Gabe. I just don't like backside. It's not my best.
You ready for my trick set?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do double flip.
All right.
Front side facing the ramp, double kick flip.
Oh.
I'm sorry, I let you down again. This is
okay.
sketch though.
Bodied.
Body! I got you.
I feel like you bailed. Here's the thing, Gabe 100% did kick out, but he landed on the board, so he landed up for sure.
He didn't say, all he said was land on the board, and I did.
That's amazing.
Oh! All right, Mowgli, make us proud. All right, what's the trick, Nigel? Oh my gosh!
Hard flip. Fakey.
Glow, you're set.
No! It's bouncy.
Damn. Ricky Ice. Oh! Woo! Oh! Oh! I think defense is good.
Yeah, I think so too. That's
Oh my God! Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Chris, is that you?
I think I'm gonna go for the nose pick.
That's right. I've never believed in you more than right now.
That's kind of scary, but thank you.
Yes! Woo! Oh!
All right, this is how we taking this letter.
Oh, no.
Taking it with victory. Yes! Does that count?
Bro, that looks. Ow! I'll say this once, I'll say it again. Nigel's got a neck like a pachycephalosaurus. Let me.
These guys are like, does that count? It's a completely different trick. How's that gonna count?
That was sick, but it wasn't a nose pick. I did notice that it wasn't actually a nose pick.
Come on now, that wasn't a nose pick?
Regardless of Nigel's miracle trick, the neck breaker, Ricky Glacier's team is the victor. Nigel, real quick, I need to get a post-game interview. How are you feeling?
You know what?
How is your neck feeling?
I don't even got a neck. But anyways, y'all think y'all won this game? You did. But you know what? You didn't win this game. Why? I got the dream team, and they the best team. That man's hilarious.
They're the dream team
That
because they be
man's
sleeping.
hilarious. Uzi's here sometimes.
Because you know how you do see how there was so much shocking? Wow, you go right in my face. You know all the static electricity on there? Yeah. Well, I jumped in the foam pit and I was covered in foam, so it made it even worse. So then when I was on there, I just felt like an aura of electricity around me, and I couldn't get friction to land my tricks.
Excuses for my teammates. It's okay.
There are some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. We want all of you to learn how to skateboard, and we have everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. A huge thanks to Woodward West for having us out this week. It's been an absolute blast so far. Woo!